Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to my channel, ChriskaYoga. In today's video, we will be doing a 15-minute chair yoga sequence. The entire sequence takes place on or near a chair. You can do this if you are struggling with mobility and flexibility. You can also do this if you're in an office and you're looking for some office chair or desk chair yoga sequence, maybe during your lunch break or something like that. So I really hope you find this helpful and that you enjoy the class. Before we get started, if you aren't subscribed yet to this YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button down below the video. It's free to subscribe and I would love to have you as a part of this community. So if you're ready, grab your chair and let's get started. Begin by sitting in a chair with your feet hips distance apart, flat on the floor, hands on your legs, sitting up tall. Lengthen your spine, close your eyes, and begin to deepen your breathing. Breathing in and out through your nose, take a moment to draw your attention inward to your breath and hold here. Slowly open your eyes, inhale, raise your arms up, looking up towards your hands, palms facing each other. On your exhale, twist your upper body to the left, bringing your left hand to your leg, your right arm behind you on the chair, wherever is comfortable. We're going to come to a twist, keeping your legs even on the ground, using the arms to help you twist around a little bit deeper with each exhale, being mindful not to force your body into any deep stretches before it's ready. And slowly on your next inhale, come back to the center, raise your arms up once again, lengthen your spine. And on your next exhale, twist in the opposite direction, bringing your right hand to your left leg, your left arm behind you, keeping your legs and hips even as you twist around to the left. Feet are still flat on the floor. Hold here. On your next inhale, come back to the center, raise your arms up once again. On your next exhale, bring your arms down and come to a forward fold, resting your torso on your thighs, bringing your hands to the ground. If your hands don't reach the ground and your torso does not reach your thighs, that's fine. You can hold on to anywhere on your legs and look down. Keep as much length in your spine as you can and breathe here. Slowly make your way up to a seated position out of your forward fold. Take your right leg and cross the ankle over the top left thigh. Flex the right foot, bring your hand to your right knee and your left hand to your right foot. Remain here, sitting up tall, feeling the right leg turning outward from the hip. Hold for a moment. On your next exhale, come to a forward fold, looking down, finding as much length in your spine as you can. You can keep your hands on your leg and your foot. Hold here, breathing deeply, feeling a stretch in the glutes, the outer thighs, and the low back. Come back up out of the forward fold. Take the right thigh and cross it over the left. Bring the left hand to the right knee, the right arm behind you. Come to a twist once again, twisting the upper body around to the right and keeping your hips even on the chair as you sit. Unwind from your twist, come back through center and come to an open twist in the opposite direction, placing your right hand on your legs, your left arm behind you. Hold here. And come back to the center, uncross your legs and switch sides, taking the left ankle, cross it over the right top thigh. Left foot is flexed. Your hands are on your knee and on your foot. Holding here, feeling a stretch in the left outer thigh as your left leg is turning out from the hip. Breathing deeply. And we'll take our forward fold. Keep your hands on your legs. Fold the torso over any amount that you can today, finding as much length in your spine as you can, keeping the spine long. Hold here. Sit upright from your forward fold. Cross the left thigh over the right thigh. Come to a twist to the left. Right hand to your leg, left arm behind you. Find length in your spine. Remain even on the sits bones on your chair. Hold here. And come to twist in the opposite direction, your open twist. Bring your left hand to your legs, your right arm behind you. Hold here. Unwind from your twist, uncross your legs, and gently make your way up to standing. Standing up tall in mountain pose, feet hips distance apart. Take your right arm and wrap it above the top of your head, tilting your head over to the right and stretching the left neck muscles. Keep the rest of your body even, your shoulders, your hips. You're standing evenly on both of your feet, and you're just gently stretching the left side of your neck, not pulling too hard with your hand. Remove your hand from your head, tilt your upper body over to the left, and reach your right arm up and over on the diagonal, lengthening the right side of your body. Slowly come back up to standing upright. Wrap your left arm around your head, tilt your head over to the left, stretching the right side of your neck muscles. Remain even on your feet, remain even with your hips and your shoulders, gently stretching the neck, and hold here. Remove your hand from your head, tilt your upper body over to the right, stretching the left side of your body, reaching the left arm up and over on the diagonal, and come out, bringing your arm down. Turn your chair so that both of your hands are on the back of the chair and walk your body back so your back is flat. Holding here with both arms on the chair, stretching your arms out in front of you. Your feet are hips distance apart, and your spine is as straight as possible. On your next inhale, we're going to roll through the spine, starting from the lower back and lengthening the spine up. And then on the exhale, we'll fold back into this position. So inhale, roll through the spine to lengthen the spine, looking up, lengthening the spine in a somewhat of a half arch. And then exhale, come back to your forward fold here over the chair, lengthening the spine to straight. Breathe here for a moment, and then on your inhale, you're going to repeat, rolling through the back of the spine, lengthening the spine to look forward and up, coming up about halfway, and then exhale, coming back down to your forward fold. Once more, inhale, rolling through the spine, starting from the low back, rolling up to look forward, lengthening the spine. Exhale, fold back down, looking down at the ground, keeping as much length in your spine as possible, flat back here. And then on your next inhale, roll yourself up, coming to standing, walking your feet back in towards the chair. Turn the chair so that you're facing the side and lift your right leg, bringing your heel onto the chair, flexing the foot. The right leg is straight and will come to a forward fold, stretching the hamstrings on the right leg, the entire back of your right leg, keeping that foot flexed and keep as much length in your spine as possible. Hold here for another moment and breathe. And then on your exhale, you'll come into a lunge on top of the chair, bending the right leg, lunging forward here, keeping your hands on the chair for stability. The left foot is on the ground, keeping your left leg straight and energized here. Hold. Take an exhale and shift your weight back onto the left leg, straightening the right leg once again. Coming to your forward fold here in your hamstring stretch. Breathing. And on your next inhale, shift your weight forward once again into your lunge on top of the chair. You may need to adjust your hand position. Keep as much length in your spine as possible. Feeling a stretch here in your glutes. And then exhale, shift your weight back onto the left leg. One more time, coming to your forward fold, hamstring stretch on the chair. Relax over the leg and breathe. Slowly and gently make your way up to standing. Release your foot from the chair and switch sides, straightening the left leg out in front of you. Flex the left foot and fold over that leg, bringing your hands to the chair. Feeling a stretch in your hamstrings, your calf muscle on the left. Hold here and breathe. Take a deep inhale, gently shift your weight forward, coming into your lunge on the chair. Keep your right leg straight and active. Hold here. And on your next exhale, shift your weight onto the right leg, straightening the left. Feeling the stretch here in the hamstrings once again. Once more, take an inhale, shift the weight forward, bending the left leg, coming into a lunge on the chair, holding here. And on your next exhale, come to your forward fold, straightening the left leg, standing on top of your right leg, holding here, breathing deeply. And slowly make your way up to standing. Remove your foot from the chair and we'll come back to sitting on the chair, just as we did at the start of the class with your hands on your thighs. And we'll take some shoulder rolls back. We'll do 10 slow, gentle, and smooth movements of these shoulder rolls, rolling your shoulders forward, up, and back. About 8 to 10 times here, lengthening your spine, feeling the shoulder muscles relaxing and stretching. And then from here, we'll pause and roll the shoulders in the opposite direction, about 8 to 10 times once again, slow and smooth movements, and stretching the muscles around your shoulders. When you're ready, slowly come to stillness, sitting up tall. Close your eyes for a moment and begin to deepen your breath once again. Coming inward, breathing deeply, holding here. And when you're ready, slowly come to open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, please hit the like button, the thumbs up, down below the video. It really supports the channel and helps it to grow. Also, please let me know of any video requests you would like coming up in the near future. The end of the year is quickly approaching, and I would love to fulfill any yoga class requests that you have. I always love to hear from you guys as well, and I always reply to your comments. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel. It's free, and I would love to have you join this growing community here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to check out the description box of this YouTube video for even more yoga resources from me, including my website and my membership site called My Yoga Habit. It's an online yoga membership community with tons of yoga resources on there, so definitely check that out. Follow me over on Instagram as well at ChriskaYoga for yoga motivation and inspiration and behind the scenes of this channel. Once again, all of the links to everything that I mentioned and more are listed in the description box below. Thank you so much. See you next time.